So second video. And I'm starting this channel just mainly to kind of, I don't know, have an outlet just to share some cool stuff, like nothing to sell. I have a Substack newsletter on Sundays that hopefully you guys can take a look at, read. But this is mainly just to share some cool stuff. And so one thing I'm really excited about right now is that last August, I got an email from a newsletter that I was a part of from a little vinyl factory called Digger's Factory. And that was accompanied by an email from an artist named Chronixx, reggae artist. Fairly prolific in my world, I guess. Like he's got a huge following, but isn't necessarily an artist you're going to see in a lot of places. He's contributed a ton to a lot of artists. So last August, I put an order in because I was so excited. Limited edition run of some of his albums. It's really cool. And some of his songs and EPs, LPs, things like that. And so I finally got. So I want to share a little bit. I went a little crazy, as you do. First, Captureland. Amazing track. You should check it out. Second, Never Give Up. Never give up. Never give up. So good. All right, but since so I'll tell you a little backstory. I heard of Chronixx when I was in Maui in 2019. I think my family and I were kind of cruising around Maui and put on local radio station, and a few songs in, whatever, Chronixx came on. I was like, "What is this?" And it was Skank and Sweet, and it was amazing. Kind of blew my mind when I first heard it. And then since then, I just kind of became a fan. After that, sort of looked at all of his collaborations, picked up a bunch of singles, all that. But I could never ever find the Chronology album that song was on, and that whole record when I heard it on Spotify and started seeing kind of YouTube videos, things like that. I was like, where is this album? Could not find it anywhere. Used, new, you name it. That was one of the runs they did. So it's 2 LP. I'm so excited. That glare is terrible. Okay, up. I'm learning this. YouTube. What? But then I went a little crazy. So I was like, I can't just get the regular 2-disc LP. I gotta get the anniversary LP. That's 3 discs, right? Who wouldn't, right? So I did that. Look at this cover, man. Here we go. Man. All right. I mean, I'm going to obviously open this up, show it off. I don't want to show it off right now. I guess one of them. They kind of came open, but whatever. Is what it is. What is it? Captureland. Love it so much. Come on, autofocus. So if you don't know Chronixx, please check them out. I'll update some links on this video so you can check it out. Yeah, it's gonna be a lot of like photography, probably art books, vinyl, you name it. But take a listen to Chronixx, you won't regret it. Sunday mornings, maybe even like Tuesday evenings, just get it going. And I need Chronixx to go on tour. So if Chronixx, you see this, I got all your records. You need to come to Seattle. You need to go on tour. We desperately want to hear you and see you live in the US. So, all right, peace.